Lucky's done doing her business. Now she has to go back in the house. Come on, Luck. Okay, Luck. Let's go, Luck. Come on. In the house. Come on. No. Okay. Yes. Come on, Luck. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Look behind you. Look in the rear view. Please proceed. Come on, proceed. Can you walk forward? Woo! Oh, 3 steps. Okay. Find sanctuary. Come on. Come on. Find sanctuary. Come on. Nothing behind you. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay. That really worked up her thirst, I bet. I'm sure that worked up a big thirst. Keep drinking. Keep drinking. The long journey is over.